Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I am going to show you that how you can install MongoDB into your operating system and how you can import the module of MongoDB into your Python code. Firstly, we will go to the browser and here you find the website which is mongodb.com/download center. Here you will find one of the cloud link, one of the server link and one of the tools link. If you want to work with local host files, so you will go to the server. If you want to work with a link file where your files are uploaded to the cloud, so you have to register on that site and simply you will get the link of that. Here we are practicing the local server. For that purpose, you have to simply go to the MongoDB community server and where you will find the latest version of it. And if your operating system is 64-bit, so simply you just select 64-bit. Otherwise, you can select your operating system from here. And this is a MSI file of that. Simply click on download it. We already download this version of software, so here you can see that. The installation of the MongoDB is very simple. You have to simply click on next. Then you have to write accept, or you have to accept this file. Then you have to go next. Then you can leave these all randoms, or you can select this as a custom. So you can see that this is a custom, or if you want to install that complete, so I just click on complete. So these all are, I just leave by default, because here you can see that these are the files of that. This is the first one directory and this is the second one directory of your files right here. First one is for data, second one is for log. So firstly I just copy this and now just go to the next and next right here, and now here you can install your software. So we should wait for it. After successfully installing this software, here you will find that this is just a local host which is 27017. This is the address of your local host link. Just forget about that, just because of here we will learn these kinds of stuff in next upcoming lectures. So just click on next, 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 and here you can see that, and I just write getting start. So getting start using Campus, and you can see that this is just a link. If you have an online link, so just simply give it the online link right here. Otherwise at that stage just leave it right here. Now I just go to the directory where I just save these kinds of file. Here I just go to the bin directory and here I just run mongo and exe file right here. So as you can see that this is the mongo exe file right here. If you want to run this file, so you just simply copy this link, go to the cmd right here, and here you just simply write cd, and then you have to write, let's suppose, cd, and then you have to write this link, okay, and then you have to run mongo db right here, or you have to write simply like MongoD right here. So when I just click on that, so you can see that our MongoD server is running right here. Here you will find that this exception is occur right here. This is just because of here we didn't set any of the data path. If you want to set the data path to it, you simply go to the my PC system property, advanced setting, and here you will find that, let's suppose, this is just an path area, the environment variables right here, and then here you will set your path to your MongoDB. Okay, now after setting the path, you just simply if you have already available path here for the MongoDB, you just simply set the path here. If you didn't have any of the path, just click on the new and you have to simply write the name of your or address of your path here. Okay, now if you want to write okay and okay, so you can see here, and I just set the path okay and I just said okay. So as you can see that our MongoDB is successfully installed right here. Okay, now here another thing what I just want to show right here, which is how could you install the MongoDB as the module in Python. You just go to the file, then go to setting right here, and here you will find that this is the Python interpreter. Then here you can see that how you can add MongoDB into your interpreter right here. Just go to click on this plus button, And then after this, here you will search MongoDB right here. Okay, then enter. So you will find that a MongoDB, and there is a lot of MongoDB servers. So MongoDB, and just search where is the MongoDB right here. But here in the Python, this is pip module, so we have to search for Python py MongoDB, and this is py MongoDB, and here you can see that this is pymongo. You simply click on install package right here, and you can see that this package is installing right here, and you can see that package pymongo is installed successfully. So this is how you can install your MongoDB. For some users or for some student, maybe you can face that error into installing that MongoDB. So at that case, you just simply contact me. I will solve your problem. You just simply click on apply and then OK, and here you will import the module of py and pymongo here. So as you can see that we successfully installed pymongo into our course. So this is our lecture today for learning that how we can install and importing the module of Python MongoDB. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.